Just purchased a 2016 Ultra Limited Harley, and maybe putting some new 4.5 inch slip-on RC mufflers on here because the stock Harleys are pretty lame unless you like a quiet bike. I really would suggest swapping them out. I talked the dealer into throwing some on, so I'm gonna do a little before and after, get a sound, because they are pretty lame on the stock. See how that sounds on the recording, but honestly, when you're riding this bike, you cannot hear these things at all, which I don't like. I like to have a little bit of sound, not too noisy, but at least know I'm coming. So that's what you have on your stock. And we'll be checking this out here as soon as I put the other ones on. Alright, so went and got the slip-on RC 4.5 inch mufflers. Went to Freedom Harley in North Canton. Stopped in today just to see where all my parts were, if they were in yet, and everything happened to be there. And he said, if you want us to do them today, we'll do them. Took about an hour. I was pretty happy with that. So as you can see, diameter, you can see the difference there, 4.5 compared to the 3s. These do have the tips you can change out. I'm gonna look at swapping those, see which ones I like. But let's see how it sounds here. So hopefully that picks that up, because these things do sound sweet. Pretty happy with them. Definitely not your loudest pipes, which I wasn't going for. I want to be able to still listen to the radio going down the road without having to blast it. So I got the radio and the boom system set maybe half, and it's plenty loud. Cars still look at you like you're an idiot. And you can hear the pipes, with that deep rumble to it. So definitely, if you're looking into some pipes, in the mid-range area, a little above the mids, I definitely would recommend these. Look-wise, nothing special about them. That's why I'm going to add some tips, see if I can dress them up. But definitely has the sound I was looking for. So hopefully this helps somebody out if you're looking into switching pipes out, because definitely I got tired of listening to the guys at work harassing me about those sissy pipes that came on it. So hope it helped you.